Hi, my name is AC Catalan, and I will be answering two questions from Chapter 40, Validating Data. The first question I'll be answering will be on pages 349 through 351. And it says, I'm entering scores from professional basketball games into Excel. I know that a team scores from 50 to 200 points per game. I once entered 1,000 points instead of 100, which messed up my analysis. Is there a way Excel can prevent me from making this type of error? So to start, I started by adding data in columns A2 to B11 between 50 and 200, and I titled them home and away. So I'm just going to select the data that I inputted, go under the data tab, and hover over here, which is data validation. I'm going to click on that, and then under settings, allow, I'm going to say whole number, and it's going to be between, and my minimum is going to be 50, and my maximum is going to be 200. So then, as you can see, when you make a mistake, so let's say that I said 520, it'll then tell me that I don't have the data that I entered doesn't follow my restrictions. So I'm going to retry that and just put my random number back in. You can also customize it, oddly enough. So if you select your data again and you go into input message, then you can just enter a message every time. It'll pop up every time you enter the wrong data. So try that again. Oh wait, that's actually within the range. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. And it also has this little pop-up where it says please enter a whole number between 50 and 200. The next question I'll be answering is on pages 353 through 355. My assistant needs to enter state abbreviations when she enters dozens and dozens of sales transactions. Can we set up a list of state abbreviations to minimize the chance that she'll enter an incorrect abbreviation? So I'm starting off by selecting column I because column I has all of the abbreviations for the states. And then I'm going to go under data, data validation, and instead of any value, I'll be selecting list, and I will be saying abbrev for abbreviation. Also, when you do this, it's also important to say in cell dropdown. So then now, whenever if I click on D6 or D5, whichever one, I can see a whole list of abbreviations for each state. So if I were to randomly put down, I don't know, like, let's say I was trying to say Alaska, and I'd go like that, and I put 3 letters for this to abbreviate Alaska, and that's not right. So if I put that down, it won't let me. So then I just have to retry. Oh. So I just have to retry and actually, yeah, okay, there you go, Alaska. And then it'll let me. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'm not an expert, but I'll at least try and help you figure out what you're trying to do. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.